I have airbag deployment. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Can I open the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I don't know how to open this.
Okay, just hold on 1 sec.
No, I'm okay.
Yeah, affirmative. Sorry. Just working on getting her out of the car. She's saying she's okay.
I'm coming home from Asbury.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you able to unbuckle your seatbelt?
Yeah, no, I'm unbuckled.
You're unbuckled? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to cut this
Okay.
so that you can get out, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Just turn your head away, okay?
Okay.
All right, just
Okay.
go ahead and hop out.
Okay.
Okay, what happened?
I'm just coming home from Asbury.
Yeah, you almost hit me head on.
Head on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, when you were coming down this way.
Oh.
What happened?
There was a truck behind me, so I was just trying to be on my side of the road.
Okay, here, take a step towards me.
Yeah.
Let me see your hands. Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay.
Okay, because you hit the guardrail. All
No,
right?
I was driving really slow, actually. I only had, like 1 or 2 drinks. I was driving really slow.
She's saying she's okay, but just have them stop out so she can RMA. It'll be out running tests.
I live just down the street. I live in
Got it. You have your is your driver's license in the car?
This is a rental car, so I have my rental, information, but I have my driver's license as well.
Okay, all right. Here, come to me.
Sure.
And just turn and face your car. Okay. All right. What's your highest level of education?
I have an associate's degree in social work.
Is English your primary language?
Yep.
Okay. Just put your feet together and put your arms down by your sides. You see the tip of this pen?
Mm-hmm.
I want you to follow the tip of the pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
She didn't strike me.
Oh, I thought you said you got hit.
No. I hit the guardrail, sorry. Take a couple of steps back. Just take like 3 steps backwards. Keep going. Okay. Do you have,
Want me to move your car back a little bit?
if you don't mind, yeah. Do you have any injuries to your legs, feet, hips, knees, anything like that affect your ability to walk and balance?
No.
Okay, take a couple more steps back. Backward. Keep going. Yeah. You can walk normally, just walk this way. That way, I don't want you to fall over. All right, that's good. Turn and face me. All right. Take your right foot, put it in front of your left foot. Heel of your right foot touching the toe of your left foot. Okay, and keep your arms down by your sides. I want you to stay like that until I tell you to do anything else. Okay? When I tell you to...
Any other unit responding to Highway 34 in front of Holmdel, you're going to disregard.
When I tell you to, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward. You're going to count each step out loud. You're going to keep your arms down by your sides, look down at your feet as you do so. You're going to walk like you're on an imaginary line. Okay? Once you've reached the 9th step, you're going to take a series of small turns and take 9 steps back in the same manner. I'm going to demonstrate for you now. You're going to be in this position. You're going to take 1, 2, 3. I took 3, but you're going to take 9. You're going to take a series of small steps and take 9 back. 1, 2, 3. Okay, again, I took 3, but you're going to take 9. Do you understand that test?
Yes.
You can begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Turn and face me. Just put your feet together. Keep your arms down by your sides. I want you to stay in that position until I tell you to do anything else, okay? Are you injured from doing that last test? Okay. When I tell you to, you're going to raise 1 foot of your choice approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping that foot parallel with the ground. You're going to keep your arms down by your sides. Look at your raised foot and count out loud by the thousands. 1001, 1002, 1003. You'll continue to do that until I tell you to stop. I'm going to demonstrate that test for you now so you can see what that looks like. You're going to be in this position. And I'm going to raise my right foot. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015. You're going to keep going until I tell you to stop. Is there anything do you have any questions? Do you understand that test?
I understand.
Okay, you can begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024.
You can stop.
2025.
Are you hurt?
No.
Okay. And one more time, just roll up your sleeves so I can just make sure you don't have any injuries. Okay. All right, just stay here for a second, okay?
Sure.
You want me to wait for the rig to get here?
Well, she's not injured, right?
Yeah, she's saying she's not injured.
If she's not injured and she's not claiming she's injured, and you don't see any injury, you don't need any first aid.
Okay. Did you cancel that or tell them to hold on?
I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. What's your first name?
Kayla,
Kayla? Do me a favor, put your hands behind your back.
am I being arrested?
Yeah, you're under arrest for DWI.
For DWI?
Yes.
Not claiming any injury. You won't need a record for that vehicle that H7 called out.
These cuffs are on you?
No.
Do you have anything on your person that's going to poke, stick, or hurt me in any way?
No.
No knives, needles, anything like that?
That's just toasty.
It's probably for her glasses. You probably even throw that back in her pocket.
Yeah. Just lipstick and that's all that's in there.
Okay.
Put it back in there.
Those jeans don't have pockets, right? They're not real pockets?
Yeah. Yeah, in the front and in the back.
Is there anything in them?
No.
Nothing in the back?
No.
Turn and walk around. Okay. Just watch your head getting in. Just turn and face away. Watch your head. I gotta try to find her license real quick.
That's my fault. You said that. You got hit head on.
No, almost, and then I watched her hit the guard. Oh, yeah. So I was, no.
What does she need from her car?
Phone's right here.
Comes back to EN Holdings, might be a rental.
Yeah, it is. Sorry, it is a rental. I just have her first name, which is Kayla.
What is that?
I just have her first name, which is Kayla. So.
I got her purse right here. So I ain't keeping the firearms license. See there. What's her phone? I didn't check it yet. Phone's in there.
Okay.
50 right here.
Did you see insurance or anything?
Oh yeah. I didn't even check. Thank you.
Shouldn't have kids back here.
Yeah.
Department of Business Regulation. Who's it come back to? Or who's?
I think the rental.
It's a rental. It's Kayla. After that experience, just watch this car.
Would you come across over here?
There's like insurance.
I was coming over the hill over there.
Might be the insurance card.
Over.
I think that's going to be your insurance card.
Okay.
Whatever.
So sorry I put that out all jacked up. I just that I was on the phone with somebody, with a family member. It scared the crap out of me.
Are you good?
Yeah, I'm okay. Sorry?
You're good? You want someone else to run the box? You good?
No. I'm good. I'm good. Yep. Thank you.
This is Howard. You need to find any check.
Hey, I just want to let you know.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Sorry about that.
What's that?
I said, yeah, I'm okay. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's all right.
I gotta
my
go.
name too. I said a prayer.
I gotta go.
Get
I
off
gotta
the
go.
phone.
All right.
Okay, bye, hon. Love
Bye.
you.
Love you too.
God be with you.
You
Bye.
too.
Where's the car gonna go?
The Holmdel Township. Hold on one second. 87.
87.
On a 10-3, 1 female, 41. Starting mileage 13050. It's going to go to the Holmdel Township impound lot. It'll be impounded there for 12 hours, and you will be able to get the car out afterwards.
After what?
After 12 hours from now, you'll be able to get the car out. All right? I appreciate you saying that.
47.
Hold on one second. Good, Sarge.
There's another set of keys. It looks like it might be a house key or a key ring with a key fob. Does she need that?
Stand by. On the keys, there's a key fob and what looks like a key to your house. You need those, right?
It hasn't really been pink
Saying yeah, it has a pink wristlet on it, correct?
Sorry.
Yeah, that's it. Thank you. Yeah, listen, everyone makes mistakes, but it could have been a lot worse if I wasn't paying attention. But thankfully, you weren't going that fast. You're not hurt. We'll talk about it when we get inside. Okay? It's hard to talk with this thing in the way. I understand.
I don't want to be like my father.
We'll talk more when we get inside, okay? You just have to, if you're ever on shore, you have to catch an Uber,
No, I thought it was okay. He was my friend. Obviously, I was not. It's fine. Headquarters on 10-3. 13052 is my ending. Open the sally port.
was. Do me a favor, just hop on out. Just take a step over here. See that door at the right sign? Just walk to that door. Walk this way. Into that open door over there. Just turn around so I can take those off. Are you lefty or are you righty?
Lefty.
Have a seat on the bench on this side here. Just so you're aware, I do have a body camera on. Okay, just so you're aware. Right, just so you, I don't want you to have to worry about.
There's no one for you to call. It's just me, so.
Okay. I got your phone from the car and your purse. Once we're done here, is there anyone who can come pick you up?
No.
Because you would stay here for 12 hours. So we would prefer that you try to call someone.
I
Okay.
could try, but.
All right. We'll talk about that when we get there. Okay. I'll be right back. Is there anything illegal in here? All right, Kayla, just a couple things I gotta go over with you. I just have to read to you. Okay. I'm gonna have you initial at each line. Alright, so I'm going to have you just initial at each line, but I'm going to read it to you first, okay? You have the right to remain silent, refuse to answer any questions. Anything you say may be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult with an attorney at any time and have him present before or during questioning. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided if you so desire prior to any questioning. A decision to waive these rights is not final, and you may withdraw your waiver whenever you wish, either before or during questioning. I acknowledge I've been advised of each constitutional right as listed above, and that I understand these rights. And the last part is, having these rights in mind, I wish to waive or give up these rights and make a knowing and voluntary statement. That part is optional. I just need you to initial at each line, sign here, and if you wish, sign there. So just...
I don't want to waive the rights.
Okay.
I want to just stand.
Okay. Kayla, this is something that I have to read word for word. Take about a minute. Just sit tight and listen carefully, okay? The police officer shall read the following. You have been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39450. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
No.
I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to read the second part, but I'm going to just read it anyway. I don't know if I'm supposed to read this part. Okay. All right. So in a little bit, I'll just have you try to call somebody. We'll go from there.
I really am sorry for all of this. This is not something that I do.
Yeah, I understand. We all make mistakes, but you gotta be careful. You have a kid? Yeah. You gotta keep them in mind. I'm not gonna lecture you. You're an adult, but.
No, they're with their dad tonight. They're not with me.
Oh no, I know. But I'm just saying, you gotta be careful. Thankfully, you're okay. No, there's no bail. You'll get some tickets and you'll be released.
Does that affect the insurance or?
Not until it's gone to court. So I've called the rental company tomorrow, let them know you've been involved in an accident. Sorry. Just go from there. I would just say contact the attorney, I should say. Hey, what was the time that Sarge called a 41 in the desk entry? And then I just need what time I got into headquarters. If you don't have that, I'll take the time that a record was called. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Hey, what was the time of the call?
It was 2:40.
Thank you.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. Hey, yeah, can you hear me? You used both for refusal, right? What do you do? So you do the penalties along with the implied consent. Okay. All right. I gotta go. Thank you. Bye. How many tattoos do you have, Kayla? sorry, how many tattoos do you have?
6.
So you have one on your left hand or your right hand?
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And what's on the left hand? I can't. What?
Stay connected. So that I can. It's what goes around comes around on my wrist.
And that's your left wrist?
Mm-hmm.
Anything else on your left hand, on your left arm?
No.
How about your right arm?
Right, the back of my neck.
And what's on your neck?
My ex's name, Dwayne J. Wright.
Dwayne J. Wright?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 3. What are the others?
Yin Yang on my left hip. The Yin Yang symbol.
Another one?
Left foot is, I think it's Nanny. N-A-N-N-I-E. That's like angel wings around the end.
Nannie?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright, that's good enough. You married, single, divorced?
Single.
You born in New Jersey?
No, Massachusetts. Salem.
What's your current job?
I am a accounting generalist for
What's the name of the town in Massachusetts?
Woburn.
Woburn.
W-O-B-U-R-N.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just now with Yankee Fernine, Papa X-ray Echo, Fremont. Just resident moving his car and warming it up before they use it. Lieutenant.
Alright,
Thank you guys, make out in contact.
We just make contact with the nurse.
Alright, I'm going to have you make some phone calls to try to get in touch with someone. That way we don't want to have to hold you
Okay.
if we don't have to. So try to get in touch with somebody. Whoever comes to pick you up, just make sure they haven't had any alcohol. Otherwise they can't pick you up, and they have to be willing to sign for you. And you cannot drink, or you can't drive until you're sober. Otherwise that person could also get in trouble if you find yourself in trouble again. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So just for the next 12 hours or so, they would
Okay.
be responsible. So just try to get somebody. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Once you're done, I do need the phone back, that's all.
Okay.
All right.
Is this the mobile application?
Yep. I'll write down the address. address is right here.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's here. She's gonna sign for you. I just gotta talk to her real quick, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna take this back. So, about your car, what you're gonna do is, this happened at about 2:40. I come here about 3 o'clock tomorrow, 3 p.m. Obviously sober. To our address here. Let me write down our direct number. And you come here, you get the car out, and they'll just take you next door to have the car removed. All right, there is a fee. Call them when you call tomorrow. Just call to find out what the fee's going to be. All right.
Do you know what it is about?
It's about, I think it's $215, and it's got to be cash or check. So, yeah. So I'll be right back, and then I'm gonna release you. Okay. Hey, how you doing? I'm Brian.
I'm good. I'm sorry.
Nice to meet you.
Megan.
Megan, so unfortunately we had to place her under arrest for DWI tonight. She needs someone to sign for her. She can't drive till 2:30 tomorrow is when we encounter her. She I don't know if she told you.
No.
But so I was driving down Highway 34 and she almost hit me head on and then almost hit a curb. I got out of the way, spun around, and I had to stop her. She was apologetic. I don't think she really think she was drunk. She refused the breath test, so I had to charge her with that as well. She'll have a court date. She'll tell her to get an attorney. She comes here tomorrow about 3 o'clock to get the car.
Okay.
The car will be next door. She just got to pay the impound fee. Impound fee. It's about $225. Okay. There's a phone number with her as well. This is just. There is liability with this. If she does drive, you could be charged. So if you want to read it real quick, if you're comfortable with that, if you want to just print your information here and then just sign here. If you don't want to, you would just sign here. But if you do, just fill out your information and sign here to pick her up.
Okay. Oh boy.
It's always something, right?
And she's such a sweet girl.
She's super nice. She was apologetic, but you know,
I seen her
she said she's like I should have stayed at my friend's house. I'm like, yeah, you should have Ubered.
Yeah. Or called me.
Yeah.
I live next door.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, thankfully she's paying attention. Thankfully I was paying attention, and thankfully she wasn't hurt. So.
Yeah, thank you.
Of course.
Yes, thank you for that. Jesus Christ. Alright.
And I will get you that form in just 1 second,
Okay.
and then I'll walk her out. Okay. Did you have it backfilled in the complaint?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Can you print it out? Oh, thank you. Thank you. I just want you to print, man. Can you just print? Just copy. This thing sucks. No, I didn't fill it. I didn't sign it. Let's try this again. Megan, here's the form, and I'll have her out in 1 second, okay? Just make sure you thank Megan. I'm going to put all your belongings in your purse. Your license, the registration and insurance for the car, and which obviously I know you need to return the car, your keys, and the summonses, okay? The date is on the bottom. It's on the 17th at 8:30 here at Holmdel Town Hall, okay? I'm going to put this in here.
Are the car keys in there? Or?
Car keys are here, but the house keys, everything like that is in here. When you come and pick up the car tomorrow, you will get the keys. Okay.
Is it drivable?
Yes. Well, you may want. There's a couple of tow companies on there. They're local. You may want to call them because the airbags went off. So you're gonna have to, you know, maybe when you get to the tow yard, you'll see if it's drivable. We were able to back it into the parking lot that was over there before the tow truck came and got it. So
Which
it
one
is
is it? Is it
drivable,
the
but you're
church?
going to have to remove it's right before the church. That's where it was by the lawn doctor that's right there.
Okay.
So, but you probably just have to cut out the airbag so you can see both ways.
Okay.
Okay, you were good to go.
Thank you so much.
Yep.
What's your name again?
Brian,
I
Yep.
appreciate it.
glad
I apologize
you're okay.
again.
Yep. Be safe.
Thank you.